Businesses should be found and accurate, whether it be online, offline, on mobile sources, voice search, or GPS sources. When a customer is searching for a need they want met, they're going to go to a search engine. A business is not visible online or is only visible on a few listing sites. The chances of that customer finding that business are pretty slim. There are hundreds of listing sites, and managing them all is a difficult task. One place where they can easily create, manage, and update their listings, saving them hundreds of hours over the course of a year. So the first product that's included in the listing suite is called Listing Builder. Listing Builder is a freemium product, and this allows you to kickstart their online presence. Listing Builder offers 3 important features. The first one is called Listing Sync, so your clients have the ability to sync their business information to some of the most highly trafficked listing sources on the web, which are Google My Business, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The second feature in Listing Builder is My Listing. This is a free business landing page that a business owner can easily create and edit within Listing Builder. The landing page includes branding, location, business info, and a whole bunch of more features, and customers can leave feedback that will be delivered straight to the business. Last but not least, Listing Builder offers Google My Business insights right within the platform. Let's jump into the product now. So we're in the overview screen, and right now the first 2 cards we see is the business profile completion and the new views on My Listing. So right now this business profile is 68% complete. If we wanted to add more information or edit any information on this business, we just click Edit Business Profile. I just connected this business to My Listing, so right now this business doesn't have any new My Listing views, but if we wanted to edit My Listing quickly, we could do so from this overview page. These last 2 cards come with the add-ons, Listing Distribution and Listing Sync Pro. So typically on the free version, these 2 cards would show as 0. But because I have both Listing Distribution and Listing Sync Pro activated, these cards are filled in. Let's first start with the Google Insights tab. So because this is a demo account, there's no way for us to actually connect to a Google My Business profile, but this will still give you a good idea of what this page would look like for your clients and what features and benefits are available to them. So what we're doing here is pulling in Google Insights information into the Listing Builder platform so that your clients can easily see how their Google My Business profile, which is extremely important to have optimized, is performing online. So we have lots of insights available within the platform. The first is how your customers search for your business and where customers view your business on Google. The most common actions that customers are taking on your listing. How many times customers request directions to your business and how many times customers call your business. And last but not least, how many times your business photos have been viewed, and how many photos have been uploaded to your listing, either by yourself or by your client. The next tab that we're going to visit is the My Listing tab. So this is the landing page that's available to your business. By clicking Manage My Listing, we're able to create edits. This includes any pages that you'd like to add to the listing, themes, branding, domains, campaign tracking, and analytics. If we want to see the listing, we just click here on View My Listing. Here we have the name of the business, the name, address, phone number, and website URL, the hours of operation, and then the social media links. We also see the location on the map here. And we'll jump back into the My Listing page. The next page that's available within Listing Builder is Listing Sync. So here are the 4 free sources that I mentioned before that a business can sync to. These are some of the most highly trafficked sources. So this is a really great way to get your client's online presence kickstarted. And then by seeing those Google My Business insights, they can see how important it is to be found across the web and not just on these high traffic sources. The more business data they have out there that's being pushed out, the better